Yo, Ebusia. Mema, happy New Year. And thank you for joining me live on Dachi Radio. And now the 1st of January 2020, 202. Anyway, my main fan check is here. Come on, my chief for me Ebusia for be our share me life be and now would hear me live. I will tune you up, and this is a very good afternoon to you. And happy New Year. Me mommy our me Teresa Pia and your birthday, mommy. Happy birthday to you. Sounds when I made in check here a Dachi Radio, a cheerful you know, baby. I will be able to hear me bia. And then me wa abrantia kuku dambi e wo fidua mu hanu mu sei. Eye mo amu UK hanu de mu nim ne pa. Waje dini ye e wo Ghana music ne mu e wo UK hanu mu sei. And na ye ne ba ba twetwe enkomo emu odu emu ohwam ye. Dodo na friend EKAADE e wo UK hanu mu sei. EKAADE. I remember say when Nikum Chacha a Odomfobi, and it's very video in the bio was very nice video. And I be busano at the end of the Kora Jumutuomo. You be busano family life kakranso so. Na ya say e busano music na kasa so wo be mu no. Hey fan music you know I don't do so far. EKAADE. Hajia, a very good afternoon to you, Hajia. A big shout out to you, Hajia. Hajia for real. Make it J. Liz B, what joining me live? Good afternoon to you, Lee. Wapuze, Mapo, DJ Alton, baby, I'm will be a made jacket. See, come on, area. I wish you am a child at your radio at your phone and your phone, you know, baby, I'm will be a. EKAADE and I'm one of studio hand say the gospel artist of the year. I know I can hear crowd just artist no demaye ever UK hand say what your trophies be brave ever UK ha Nana Amankwa Tia EKAADE EKAADE na ne bebusa no kwen okofa so nya EKAADE no abusha ye brand ko ye Higher Dachi Radio, the station for your heart. Sanity may be a phone line, so to now question back me and me and Sabia Peso Busana. Also, what you may Ebusano, a dinner at the friend EKAADE. Media Num 2 and normal Biacham so SDNE. And let on no better, sorry, I will call. Media margin of actually. What the new music be about a new single be our diaba. One EKAADE and a boss animal. A EKAADE featuring EKAADE. Yababusano, the entire Korasa EKAADE camp on them. Because you are what you call J and Bennis or ho. You are hima or Bapa Christie ho. You are Dinah Hamilton ho. You are hima Jackie ho. Nanina when you mubia and that's the Poku ho. OJ ho. When you mubia or Baku Rem. Okurema brode no kofano. Yababusano the entire Borasa camp ho. Ekofa sa abrantieno. I wish you once again thank you for tuning in to Dachi Radio. Don't touch the dial and phone San Kefidiano. You want the public radio more and the 1st of January 2020. Send your birthday, a happy birthday to you. Happy New Year to you. Once again, a big shout out to you, Hajia Papabi. Hajia Papabi, who show me all the way from Saudi Arabia. Hajia, very good afternoon to you. Sounds like I'm in the shout out back up and the Hajia Shata, Madam Ginnix. A very good afternoon to you. I love you so much, you know. Anyway, that should mix you. Abusia, me and call EKAADE. EKAADE, a very good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, boss.
Me patron na pomo to say.
Nyame adom me no ye pa.
Obe pija won kakra e de amaye because your viewers ni ye tie for I word e show. Ye kase EKAADE hwan ni EKAADE.
Me da se ye kase EKAADE me din ankasa ye nana mankwa etia.
Udini ankasa ye nana amankwa etia. Enti EKAADE ni frɛ.
EKAADE no ye me first gospel album. And I'm two title no EKAADE. Yeah, me kutu free Genesis 22 verse 10.
Genesis 22
verse 10.
Watch radio or maya nyoso.
Or say, Emra Abraham turning in South of Asakayana. And Yakobo 14 and EKAADE Kikum Isaac.
Ooh. Me bacho can be now be a one temo. Oh, who be you or say EKAADE and Yakwa?
Genesis 22 verse 10.
Genesis 22 verse 10. Okay.
Or say, Emra Abraham turning in South of Asakayana. And Yakobo 14 and EKAADE Kikum Isaac. Bia me ka obi ntia see em say Abraham ne yere Sarah na o ma ware for so many years na wo ma
okay
and abaya nya 90 be pay so nya 100 years awo ma nyankopon so
me in 190
nyankopon so ombe wo ama oba no kra ya tete say se me na me yefunu adi ma bro na me ntime nwo a ene ma ba wa dokas ene ma ba wa enwo Yankopon po no ede ebemu omo woye
Sarah ne Abraham woye okay
tomu woye no ni Yankopon be yin what say on fa Isaac nkobo afore
okay
so just akra na omo apel so many years na omunya bi no Yankopon so nsam fo enko mfa nkobo afore ha no be sua de bi wo ha say enye bibia ne so ka kire oyere
Abana Sarah ne Abraham omunya bi no
eno munya
ya mesa ma omu bi no ana wo sa no mo call say one Abraham call apam
say
onfa ne ba no
enkobo afore
so what you say
okay na ha no me hu bibi say enye bibia na ka kire e so obo ayira mane
nti sometimes a man na say yes
secretive and a man say some yes secretive because some bi ha o ka e dia bufo beba
wow
because he so oba wanya 90 years wa pa wa wanya bi
nkontiase
na ka chen say me fa kra no ko ba for obati ase
no
tinya ko ka kire no ma na yira mane e no fa kra no no ne ko tani ko na kra wi da ni papa say na odwa be na ye de ko ba for no
ko ba for de ase at least o say wonya bibia de ko wota no
e na papa na ka kire ne ba ni say you drew her nyame e be kire na papa ne de yakopa ka so mfa kra na enye de e ma
ko nti na papa ne de onim de o de ko ba for de okay
to ko dru ho no no chechira akra no
me ba o abusia se wo hwe ya anya se wo preach you but on narrative story a onya EKAADE no e free ye nti se wo hwe ya nyanto wase ma no na on kire de nti a onya EKAADE no e free ye okay
me da se familia nti odna ato ho de ti ya to na akra ne nan
okay
a chechire ni sagun de chi apija se kai no ti se ekakitu we
Abraham no e de ne ba Isaac na to ho
o be
trinity e de I sacrifice na manyankopon okay
e de nyankopon ka se on twenani no hwe se odwai ne nyina se ne nyankopon so Abraham se o gidie woni mu se on ne man nya aba na na sabi o gi akra no mpo a obasa wa ne foforo
okay
ti Abraham so ye sitia na ko wo ye e nyankopon ka se on twenani na on fo odwane nti EKAADE kikum Isaac
na kokum Isaac abusia enti EKAADE na open your screen no no
sorry
say asechere a odi ama won say Abraham enko de ne ba Isaac ekobo afode amanyankopon na bra pagya sword no say odi betwa Isaac ti pepe no ana nyankopon ka say makoa jai na masiesi udwan bi ehye honom ama enti EKAADE engitwa Isaac ti wow abusia me entie die entie a ye friend EKAADE no me entie sa anwom no na afa ehunu die entie ye friend no EKAADE no wow obi ntie ase Abusia, what it was say, Yameson Bomaye, EKAADE. EKAADE won't you say?
In fear. If you pardon me to infant about.
Ultimate phone fee. What to know for him? You perceive who know life kakra. What to know for how many years?
25 years in it.
25 years.
Yeah, since 1994.
O starting yom to Ewo Krobeso.
Ghana.
O my Ghana mu. O free hifa.
Me free Kwamai.
EKAADE free Kwamai. Kwamai hifa.
Setra Kwamai.
Asante region.
Yeah, Mampong Road, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. And mo amo share EKAADE na mo nimu no mo amo de share and eti hanum say especially Asante region for. EKAADE cool school kakra wa hifa.
Yeah, me was South Interest.
Okay.
A3 Ebenezer House.
Okay.
And I think say 86. And I had a call Kwamai. It's be called SD Kwamai SD school.
O call Kwamai SD school.
Primary school.
Okay.
And me call na me mami SD ni and I'm papa's presby ni. It drew me menda me say me mami kwa so and papa say empty school na open into na o pese
o switch no
school na continue ma school na sorry na koyo dey there and
yeah possible
papa you be free SD school crowd ko presby.
Oh, okay.
Because Saturday ba kwa ba ko je mo fu ma say what dey kwa sorry home so this there and me free us abetena jama say and
aye aguna jamase.
Aguna jamase.
Okay.
Ebetena ho kakra. And me we school me course at KTI.
Okay, Kumasi Technical.
I used to, yeah. KTI akra me we 96.
Okay. Okay.
Me friends a first batch.
Na just say ye sha EKAADE a life na based on Ghana. And onya education kakra free KTI.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And I also started in Yomutu now how many years?
I think say be 20. That by side of us no oh by fast I come
It was a small media game, no.
Some person me age what I say.
Eh, who the age?
No, person me age
You just
no, person me age me master been from Akio like I say. Checking upon the age of the school. To we school 29 to 30 years in it. So what I say. We'll be now 16, 17. Talk about more about
no problem. Your home fear. I was saying who EKAADE fear no. EKAADE to also. Until now say who call SDA. We SDA needs to say.
Yeah.
Still no that's where SDA.
Yeah, SDA nipa.
Okay. I'll turn you more SDA sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Until ya jowa tomorrow ya register because and then you to phone na o maba no me hunu asori a o mo sheda call. Until ya pese ya na pese hunu say we Kristo ni mapa. I would name the Crystal as free one chain. And son, I'll be to my children, my bit to my George too. Because I could say we are recently a key statement be say, and you will be a tunya menyom and a Crystal ni.
Make a metaka.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
And he say, my cock SDR sorry free and bring up to date.
Okay.
And you know, and a sorry no, any fear me free granting our mamma. For 25 years. Is it quite 26 years?
Yeah, right 2020 into 26 years. Okay.
So what I say, and it say 1999. A Brafo, yeah, friend come not a friend of Brafo.
A Brafo Pemuka. Okay.
Many the class of type SD. It's 99 now, yeah, Ninyum, yeah.
Pemuka.
Oh, yeah, or started so
yeah, dreadlocks now.
Now I say, nti me so me koye bi na abasi same eti on so dey na me me na me na fofo nyina me no mo safa na ewu mu nyina na o mu nyina de nyomba abonten onu me alabito
ya tini din ba
ya alabito ye ono obrafo ye Emma obi nada odie
yeah me we sing nyina
on the two chorus na
okay
ono started 89
okay
so what I say
EKAADE usi mache
Castro ya eni hune omunyina me no ma yanyam keke fusu swazi b me yonko bi wazakus ye stati wo pankrono kuma se pankrono
eye hwa
pankrono Jehovah Nisi studio on stati ye 94 ye tro nyom e obi passe de ko chere Big Ben so produce my na Big Ben nyani sao na munko demo na munko that na mun famra na munko master na mun famra that time as we could spend the man there to aso na me kai 98 me na ase me twetwe me ho kakra because of if you me friend if
okay
and I'm say SD ni and I say be Madam for no so
dreadlocks.
Just say 98 me choir me this side. Na ye musical concert or you chrome. Because I feel be on ye. Among form free brutary Accra Kumasi
Abuja and yes sebi ne kasa tintin but on say in life no everybody has got a story. And you know say otonyomo a and hunu ne say bia sorry ya no otonyom opeso o man hunu die nti a enne wabeye EKAADE no and nti na ye manyambra ma no say won kire mu no
say na ye frame no me koye raga kakra ka pato kakra mu na
na say nye gospel section
how crowd na me ni ho kra
oh I see
gospel de krom haya na benya
okay
krom haya na say panima ko si do na me to say na me no ya no ayeme la no ayeme rap no ayeme na me dia chiro na me kono
okay
so I say I'm on to panima for kind of so me no gospel so I say but so far 10 years in no 5 gospel album and 31 singles
okay
yeah
okay EKAADE enyum to me hu ne say e calling ana obi susu ho no ma sebi e common de no ana ode no ho akorem wo de ne calling ana say come de
me hu ne say e calling
wo hu ne say e calling yes. Okay
because on say nyame de mawa no wo shira so ama
of course
enyum to be bro ho no ma omko ba bi no bi e tro nyama ma wo so what I say etimi ana me tro menyum okay me ana me tro nyama wo nyum be bri wo ho da bia me ka say e ba ha life Friday a me wo nyum be bri wo ho no what I say
wonim de mama ji wedi say wo de ne calling no because say you shebe bia na wo free me fa say high life section na wo free oba UK obitimi nyame nam obi so catch wo say switch free baby awo no
no anka say me switch o say be me nyame high life no o yes die na me na kwaso say masa nyame ache wade a masa eso what I say na me so okay me high life the men gospel okay so what I say on the no encourage me say man say bia o yes die ni nti no
but only bibi on say young Africans no dey what problem with high life and gospel because so people high life and choice say be because a west na woman no and I would bo bra say one me want say bisa betima bonyom otimu say bisa ye wiase ni but
obabra bo munyom
me fa character say ye beka say you can say Dinah Hamilton Christoni because of gospel enti no sa na ye kanu but ocean sema e what Dinah Hamilton sema na bia hwebisa and sema na say Kofi Kinata sema otimu say e mabra difference no enye massive say anasa say the same a football line na no mu nyina trend wo so enti ya na mama me enka say we dey gospel ana we yi ya na nipa na bra bo na say bi to de bia to chima kakra ko fa ensem e de bre but anyway yen to aso enti EKAADE so far one kasa no all albums say
more 5 albums
yeah 5 singles say
31
mako 31 yeah ya nominate you pay
yeah
ewa hefa
Chroma 2017
UK ha ana onya nominees no
yeah minya 3
nominees
song of the year
1 year wow
song of the year artist of the year and album of the year gospel album of the year
year be no 2017 yeah. Ana onya 3 nominees
yeah
wow UK gospel UK what do you call music awards
yeah
okay
and I'm winning album gospel album of the year
3 awards no winning one
yeah
that's very good so when you be cry at least you've been there you know
okay I met me one
next a year there
and 2018 no omo year for
okay because I know say this is the 4th edition of Ghana Music Award
mako 2
wako twice
first one no me cry na my auntie say bibia side the ekoso
okay
so second one na me call me winning album of the year gospel album of the year
okay now just walk 3 times and yet
we call 3 times
walk 2
yes didn't say 2018 no na me tea game na say omo calendar mo dey
okay
omo release omo nyom last year from May no now to April this year no omo nyom na qualify for this year award.
Oh, okay. I understand.
Omo release last year May. Now to April 30th.
Okay.
And to me some 2018 we release even September. That's a part.
Okay.
What I say?
Nana Jiman say or show all the way from South London. Good afternoon to you, Nana Jiman.
Nana Minstrel, no support. Enti my nya because about September now more closely. Enti about the following year.
Okay.
The following year I mean 4 nominees.
Following year, which is Oko 2017.
Yeah.
And I got 1 award.
Yeah, and I'm
about 2018.
No 18. I'm saying me time and I me release them not apa home.
Okay.
Into my nominees.
Why your nominees?
Okay. The following 2019.
2019. Okay.
And I mean 4 nominees.
We have 4 nominees.
Yeah.
Wow.
Song of the year.
Wow.
Yeah, homeless. Gospel artist.
And only yeah, only kum chacha there. Homeless. Okay.
Homeless. Best collaboration of the year.
Best collaboration with who?
Homeless.
Okay.
And general gospel, general artist of the year.
General artist of the year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And EKAADE ne ukofa kum chacha free.
Me da say asem we da bia me sama fo musa na me claim me ho because na begin Odomfobi ntia ase. Kum chacha minimum ni da.
Okay.
And onye madam for na me ni ne number mpo. Then he said Dynamic International Club.
Okay.
No more year 10 years anniversary or hotel bi. Till na me guest artist, yeah me perform was ya mom.
Okay.
Enti me could do me to new no. Na me amenu aba abna campaign and AMC.
Okay.
Till 2 new or mic no so was surprise my audience no more no. Till I say obi e twetwa so dey surprise me. That's what kind say o kum chacha wo fia. Obia just obia hope so
obi kum chacha. Okay.
I have when you know to one of my friend madam for Kimberley. Honestly gospel musician Okroma.
Okay.
To be friends again. Jack baby am one kum chacha one fans award nya some good 12. Satan homeless video ni twa wi.
Okay.
Ya twa wi aka say friends say video man or edit. No say o nana obetimi na kana wa bam video no mu a ebeboa.
Okay.
I'm so they work say in the crew because Pisenya ko be yedin no. Wa from kwai.
Yeah, one acrobat
video no. Eti them say eni me so eni me ne ye be kasa. Abona ba kasa no na nkasa wo ni influence e bia no woni mu.
Yeah.
Enti abona ne ko kasa e no ka say we gi no kasa wonye. E no so we nya bia ye enwuma wa ya ma ayi charity and so no e na wona ne kan ya oye. Bete ba e no e na wa kum chacha e na say e wadam for no on say the city.
Yeah.
Ejuma e na me ne ye.
Okay.
So what I say. Enti na omo enti sa na we ya me kum chacha.
Okay.
Me kai say me ne ja ko yi movie. Me na me chiro movie no. Me am storyline, me am nyom ne das here. Me no ja ko more than 14 years. So what I say. So only me friend no na enye problem me na me ne kasa e. What I say. But kum chacha dia o kasa ja ko dia me ni no. But kum chacha me ni no. Adwuma na me ni ase lucky bi na me say me ni ko share.
Nti etie ni ana just say kwan bi na bie ana utimi meeting no ene ni chance clip no. Okay. EKAADE wa worry.
Me pa cha ma worry.
O ma.
Me pa cha me wo ma.
E ma say.
Say mo. Me ma yunum.
Ahade ye ba EKAADE tutubo wo nti no in the professional way.
Uti nu mo ase.
O my 5. Powerful. EKAADE. Na ni nim say mo gospel so de kamo ko no boko.
Me ya me ta ka.
EKAADE ba ubiem.
Oh, nyame na dem a.
Ube ubiem.
Ere de sometimes you can say ubiem but
EKAADE ube ubiem.
Me nyanyu ne ho.
EKAADE si minyanjene ho abuzia EKAADE radio said that me catch we always bring you the best and there you EKAADE e was fi hanum say na amankwa etia dodo na anim na say your friend EKAADE or your gospel musician or UK hanum say and then yen saka no e wo fidie mu hanum say ne ne twin komo about the new single be our bo about EKAADE or future EKAADE EKAADE mame monwom no na yen twitwi enkomo about sa enwom we ya wabo no na echiefo nso so yemiefo lines ni hwe say ye benya college ni bi ama omo de o madwenkyere aba abusu tie nwom na e bo no e ye new single we release.
Start from top. EKAADE.
EKAADE ade na wo EKAADE nko anko chimi kume nko ase wo nwumusa
tabio enye ewu
EKAADE nko chimi kume eno say you
okay me try say si nyama na yede ho ato no so no se ekasima no se kaketua bi mpo a obi you afrim enti mo oba mu
na den no so bisa keide ba be ra anu say
say EKAADE no eno ye na mo be 10 years to 11 years me na mu buye
EKAADE
see me to 19 this is try na and that story na me dey enti hwe me logo na me say EKAADE for life me work EKAADE for nyum for fresh aba biom enyu ni nyina
na yes wonyum bia obeye bia definitely EKAADE bebem
ma me sure ade me first one I'm saying na di we na nim kai Genesis 22 verse 10
okay
so what you say
e hono na Abraham ne Isaac de no
and I'm sama but Matthew 2 verse 2
okay
Yesu imra ewu Yesu na enyansafo no kopie kin Herod so mo na mo kan kire me adwembo no penaku no eno say EKAADE dem ni kede de ni ye Daniel 6:22 emra de na ne kotu jatabu mu no
EKAADE
say nyamia mamu anke jatane ni de sa bebro ba could be story ba no hobet EKAADE say register it will be confirm EKAADE bonima
Queen G also what joining in live our Facebook. A very good afternoon to you and happy new year. DJ Atom also what joining in very good afternoon and happy new year. Baby I will share you free no also be to me afraid so person free I'll be to my free one 07983853916. Me see number no be at the amount 07983853916. And I say will be to my free one 07424569792. Me see number no be at the amount 07942456992. I had a Dutch radio. Liz B also what joining me. What Liz B see you do all EKAADE. Thank you so much. Lee. Abusia ye tie EKAADE was it oni bisa keide enwom na ode aba no na ye nto a ye nkomo twetwe no so ye ntie de
sorry
EKAADE to nyum ni bi to bi abusia me pese wo to bi na me ye hunu no se eye ono na ebo nyum no enti no me start free top no wa to nyum ni bi ne ye hunu
na so nyamia mamwa na so nyamia kasa na so nyamia kasa eka teke etado neswanye ye wate Odomfobi na ba me ho banne Miss Odomfobi na ba me ho banne Wache me kotese chatane nyeme What me kotita kumunu se chatane nkume Yesu nyami extra no what for to me say no Do nyami extra ni pent me pepada Miss yani mgwasi yani amani hunika Na pem kwa no pesa ke beba miso Na swado muniti antu mi anya mi yo EKAADE EKAADE Odomfobi na ba mi hu ba yo na swanye ye wate Nina mi ama mudia ka hutra tete mi aseme Aka mi no mwa cry kwa ka minko Ye ka mi timinka bi anim gwasia ye midin na mi da mi no ahutra na ekumi na so me bompa ye se radisi sama sidne na bibia ba mi samwana na nya mi tio Mitin kwa mwiya na nyami ntia Enga giti Enga otamfunu nyami Otamfunu bae Nesu anyaye for no by. Next one, yeah, heck, I could take it. What you make you? Heck, I could take it. Nanko say me, Namiama Namamwa. Namiama Namamwa. Masida New. So Namiamwa. As I take it. EKAADE. Next one, yeah, what? Samana Nasia Nana Mankwetia, he's right, me, Midawasi. Miania, why am Mamia? Musa, Miania, why am Mamia? Musa Sida. Nanenya what do I need to wear? This way, I didn't know the buano. Intimidate, I see that man. No, I see that. I'm the dear mammy. I even I don't buy a dear mammy. Nasonia Mamma. Nasonia Mamma. Nasonia Miagasa. Nasonia Miagasa. Take it. EKAADE. Next one, yeah, what it?
EKAADE, yeah, that's it. Any show our performance are there to say here. EKAADE,
yes, boss.
I say I grow gospel music for no money so.
Because I grab me
because and now better gospel musician way, or yes say, and now better gospel musician way, or yes say. I say,
yes say,
like yes, or more on your show. A brabo bi wo honoma emfata o Christoni but I will gospel musician be and then na ho asem da abonten why say me pese make kansem why say ni nyina no eyese e basa am game ni mu ana say
I say ejuma ne so et apafo ne de isa em kan say enye obi a obo high life bia ena oye wiase ni ena nye obi obo gospel bia so na Christoni so what you say ese edua na ba ena be me hu di akro enti no sebe ena eduma bia mu no na se fie bia mensa wo ene obi die na aba echina bia na yo ana say me
okay
so what you say ena sometimes asembiti me ba no bia ayeje
I don't know said me kind no timasi because obi o honoma ne mo say no mo de ne say mo begina pulpit preach but anyom to no na mo de preach tre because EKAADE okay see eja wo say ma a storyline about anyom a wabo sisi na wo betumi de amaye ama e betumi to before enti no say me hwe wo abrabo na utumi fo na wo abrabo no NCA na mentie de wo kan sa na mpesa me hu no because obi o honoma enne ubeti yeso wabonyum nice utie nyum na very powerful ade ebechi na sa nipa na obonyum na no wa committee no ma bia emfata Kristo anamo
na me try say
na Kristo na yes yedi na chi no na em say
itam say if you be a mensa wom fati ase na say me be ba ye be ka ni ya claim kakraka betina nya no kre me am hasem bitifeni obi a na say me busem ho asem ba say iso akoye wedding ya ma me bi betina TV so ye che say
ya double cry bi to no
on see the city sometimes ibu ha bukum amene ba bonte be kan say nya no kre
e bi on so o man create hype
me ase wona me say me nka because sebe me ka say me ni adaje for sa ne ma no
okay
me dey say me no na interview we me no wo Patrick ana mama ngege kana de Japan ye program me ye kwana ye nyina na table
yeah
ana ngege twa me ni twa picture bi no de to ni page within and 20 as 1 hour no na ni pa be 500 na like I say I say you to come some ko share on page ana ni tire me honum sa bra na wonti dia ba na
planning ngege
oh
Nka be fan say.
Uti diaba. Ohu aba asem a nam frama mu ba bia na se me. We dey na me dem aya me ho aba so say ne kokko ko YouTube. Yesi akwa be the Phil Collins. And why live
Collins or Germany.
Why in live video?
No, they won't get picture no.
O dem be ne ngege picture. Say me mpana ne ngege.
Oh.
Say this. Now we sabi me kwa so we so.
Ama na be.
Okay, the ngege me share 5 times. 5 times me share in program ase.
Okay.
So what you say? Anytime jam share me na me yere nanam. Me mfa me yere nsi da. Enti just na we be one on say bituma accurate. Utie picture na da ho na e chese me mpana ne ngege. Beti utie odo na and amana say and number bi no ho akra chese. Me din ni audio ni mu me transfer for da. Me yere ba kro mu ano on transfer for da. Do as a social media game. Obi afa bibia bia
a bloggers game.
What you say? Enti no meka hin say ebi wo ha be no kre. E no kra maka say enu am say enyina na mfanya disua ni 20 year hofo.
Okay.
And Bible say inipadua ya sorry die. Ema Kristo ye na amanfo hwe ye su ni ye bai. Sorry na sakra obi. Nti say na ye say ye Yakopon soundboard no. Ya mo bra papa say no obi onya se ne be no bo. Enti bi de sometimes if it my group so anya no correct.
Me pese wo tu. Me enya wo sebi ona be tu before. But me pese wo ke bi kire wo nuamo gospel musicians no. Ke bi kire mo. Said the image of gospel music no. Mo money enyet se sebi ade a en value. Because se mo nyomo no kra na en value the gospel na that's what keke no kra no. E valued. And this ke bi kire mo no mu say ade omo ye no eso nyame ani nti omo make sure say they are doing the right thing.
They make can say say adwuma ne de me da bia me ka say bia nka me ko high life a ibi kura bia nka ma nyame aye de adwuma duru ba bi. Okay. Ka strom no keke fuso nya onye ska wonyum mo. Okura sin samo say on this day no. Enti say ya nko ho ne say be nyame adwuma. E be nyame adwuma de ne ya ba ho aye de ate. Esan say me na sometimes me say hu say dudu na any Sunday o see also
takrache
che so what I say e bi wo ha na no DSP piece of any interview no say on clear no what they are amount for say we sebi we bema what I say on say I don't say
ne ye no na e bi o mo de hu no sa
sometimes I say prejudging we wo ha me dem ya me so sa ne man so nti dem kan say yakoye Yesu Kristo ani kosua no ye mo ya brabo yi ba bia wonam bia no hwa na mo yi me ya na me ka say wonim ba bi so wonam a ye kwaye ba nyina onu so bi hwe amanfo hwe pa me this time as me na ma so obi ni me din ko no na me sere ye bi me nipa me nkai no betim ko mo di no chese as wonim me pa nti wonam ba bia me nya so bi ehu amanfo hwe obi a hwe de wo ye so what I say nti me ka say me mfa me ho nya bet na say me nka boost me ho bet me nya obi a obeka me ho me bibia ka enipa nyina da
wo say God bless you pa nyame sure me ba cho mo hwe in Facebook no ye da mo nyina se ene mo bra manya mo de hwe EKAADE why na unya na obe future na e wo next single
a secret for na ma pese.
Oh come on wo de bia de wo de to chacha de bia wo de sa na wo de bi se de be to chacha mai we de ye man ko chacha why na unya na obe future na next single ka kete ga o
why ma de da but as o pese
EKAADE o
minya obi se lumba
daddy lumba chas kojofosu okay
and on so nya engine ma me esan say
oni mne no game nim
da be say me ko ni fie nyina o and it that's all ma kwese ma nkwa okay
enti unya daddy lumba obe future no for on next single obe drop enti da be ni expect on next single
we
know you 2020 no
am for we no inra
you 2020 da be na be drop Hamakacho so ba in a professional way.
Drop any day me so I may bet also feel my you me
that bay into 2021 2022 and now say 2020
Ghana Music Award 2020 new year and I drop it
into the way trendy for Ghana Music Award
say we new any knife crime no qualify for 2020 you know
okay We only qualify for the nominees for 2020.
Yeah.
Okay. Now saying a promotion because so far.
Na me anam recruit no me de na me asene ahwefo ne atifo nyina. First day me to nyum we no. Nkrofo a ebe simu sae no. Sabe o ze hwa me me nim asa o.
O de se o twebonkum no.
Me twebonkum na say. But say the amount for say. I say anyum e man say the ka do timi ye moves nyina. It say and na me ko program ko to nyum. I say like amofo ani gi ho. Awunyum we de anu odin, awunyum we de do be ko akiri. Nti be de nyame ase say amofo aja tum. Ai we hearing say me call KPI me say ho. Birmingham me say ho.
Okay.
Northampton me say ho.
Okay.
Metin Kings. O can true to say o do hwe me status so say we am 30 seconds.
Like when you sure say nyom to na ye fan bi na o make nyom to make money ma.
Sika pa na so di be nyom dia maka say jai.
Okay. And make money bi ama.
Me de nyame adwuma na me ye.
Okay.
So what I say because they into CD. What I say because o ko YouTube a
obenya nyom no.
Engineer ko bi kura ma no asene ma na mfo na nyom ne nam.
Na say wo de enye wo fu ana o de.
Oh David. Say
o promote the gospel.
Yes, say nyame adwuma because esembi wo ha ebe two before ebe show bi nkran. What I say. Yeah, no mommy here me say scanner. Nyame be fa confirm so ehira me.
Platform be na wo so. Say obi hwehwe wo nyoma platforms be na wo so.
Nyame adum ko YouTuber. Nana Mankwetia.
YouTube.
Yeah, Nana Mankwetia.
Nana Mankwetia.
Although manya 2,000 subscribers, but I need more.
Okay.
Me here say more than one share, na subscribe.
Click the bell.
New one ever, Nana when you're quiet. Yeah.
And very YouTube now.
Yeah, start you a very powerful song.
Okay.
When you do and whenever you once in a way.
Okay.
Facebook.
Oh, Facebook also.
Nana Mankwetia.
Nana Mankwetia. Okay.
Instagram. EKAADE for life.
EKAADE for life.
EKAADE. Yidi.
Okay.
4. Letter 4.
Okay, and yet for life FOUR. A number 4.
Number 4. Okay. And life LIFE.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. One word.
And you honor your Instagram. Nana. Okay.
And Odomfobi no. Any social media platform be a tonyum be iTunes, Spotify,
okay.
These Google, Amazon, baby be
okay.
99p. Not the boy near.
Okay.
Yet my edgement, the boy near.
Okay. And only 99p. And Drew Pound. Okay. Over to me that you're ringing tone cry. And you know, you just buy it. Okay. Powerful. I got it. Hey, obviously, please come to Overhampton. Oh. Mami, and you know, I got the contact with you, Jana Fee. Someone here no more friend on our fee. You heard the area. You basically arranging for that. EKAADE management. You bring a call into your monitor or management. Or management in here.
Authorized music production.
Okay.
Yeah. Eda Collins Amofa.
The Collins Amofa and the
Dan manager.
Okay. And this will be show say in case any panel here for any performance wedding a year be nena say for how say any panel to me now quite be no be first be now.
Oh, me number 2 draw and show me video na say we are both say me number.
Yeah, no one e kasa sisi e nti ye pese ye hunu say obi hia sisi a quite be na ni panel be first one obenya.
Ofrem ya obenya me.
Onfro he.
Oh, me boba me kita numbers me no.
Enti no my numbers now.
074 11 08 21 51.
Okay.
074 11 08 21 51. And only my WhatsApp number. We frame me from Ujam I may so WhatsApp.
And only especially for WhatsApp.
There be both.
Okay.
And I'm kita we so 079 83 91 57 56. Yeah.
And also see your WhatsApp and I know just calls. Yeah. Okay. And Jebusha EKAADE and any was studio how I'm saying or say anytime be our friend number piano or no baby key arrangement na baby our opese or perform on na or no acco in times me
and a performance and kwa also me 31 songs na most of them enyewa me yaman crofo bo ha ni bibia wu
okay
me so mudin any family name the ayen mama omo.
Nti yen kan say obi free and I say obi worry and I obi ye bibi
na pese me fa
occasion bi na pese yen fa odi nya jungle cry na
that be yen nyuma kasa ama
say yen fa say in the form of jungle
yeah
ubetuma ye ama
me ye bebre
oh okay
eno na me akodru 31
and obe bi ama me so
so
I was here at radio. I say game no. I say there. I was so you be my because I'm for so you be nyano. I was so you be my. Wow. Wow.
My be brave. Coco Spencer. Naspa radio. My enyum you no na mana.
Okay.
A John Coba. Your Hot FM. Odi ni birthday. Me be mana.
Okay.
Ni ma mi wu ya. Me ti say ni ma mi wa me franchise. So wa mama ncha no crowd no se kada menyo no we menya nyoma no na me ma no me bre
okay
even yourself pani SD so for amufa mbo me refidi no
okay
odini ni 50 years in marriage and 75 years baby no
yeah
from me nyoma no
oh okay
that's big attack my see me cause my baby no my uncle from my mama America for nyina efrem me ayima o monti baby a o ya me ya ma
EKAADE ya di jumadi ne e pa na wie ye the last word I would be catch the otie ye continue the ocean live e wo Facebook and I said dear Sabrina Bemabu we ana me catch say mo gospel musicians no momo de no embassy bia mbonya platforms and mo preachy atre ba monyo mo to no ene be preachy atre de na Bemabu Sabria otie o ene new year e de asem na wo catch no
the me can say me ma obi bia happy new year
okay
e de nyame say odi ewura afie mu e bia 2019 o shase no bibi si oni sponsor afie we party manya enye possible no na say enyi no anye but anu so chere say ene da so asa
EKAADE
ene da so ansan
EKAADE
when you say nipa pe ye de ni nkoso ntem awa na bra boy muso nyame de wanya na juma sa oni papa bibia frɛ o nyame hɔ no a ɔbɔ mpa yesi ma na sɛm ma ya mini na na ba mu abu ɛma ɔba mu mu wate mesi ani da so ade ansan yo ɔkra mo bro hufo nyangidie wo wu nyame mu sɛ ani da so hɔ mo bia
EKAADE ma mentwe wano wa ha freestyle de man yesese wo lyrics no ne wo bibia yakɔ yese lumba wonni no wo link bi sa
lumba de me kai Berima abeyi ntori nimpa ya me ofa riding fan currency o si e kwesi na papa wo hu afru ha so wate aka wo si lumba ba me shop of friend me ba no fie me kase na me we na me Ghana obi the invitation bre me ko na wo hwe no na wo da no me ko kuma se na ni ko shia me sheda call ho ko chia no no o fin se akra na ba vitamin ba okope be bia me da nyina oyo bia ohumi a amankwa hwehusie wate no wachia me no mo msika no woko so wate ase enti ene da so nsan kwasi amankwa amiso ye anwum be se papa ketuo bia me ye ma wo na de mo anwum se ene da so kwasi amankwa enti adam se
min kasa wo ye lumba ba freestyle ketuo ya wo de man no metie lyrics na ne the way I see kono na wo lumba ayini
me to hala which roses ya because I want for me to I want now you say lumba nyam now say what you know with that
and also ye wa wanyum
yeah
ene me kakre
oh my son ayam passe odobiti akumo na yam passe odokumo sunsun wawie makumo watimi sunsun wawie makumo watimi sunsun eboye makuma kodi mawie ntino wodoye utitimi sa tantadie eboye makuma kodi mawie ntino watitimi sa tantadie o mo be kama me yankomo be kama me ninyina nkosiaga masa yejaya
no yejaya abusiam yenti EKAADE featuring bisakaide no na yemfa dwumadie no embra na bi ye o se yejaya I'm sure I'm in front of you. Come DJ Alton, baby. I will be a mapo. Very good afternoon to you. Wabapa Haji, I was joining me live on Facebook. Liz B was joining me. Nana Ajman also joining me. Queen G also share me live on Facebook. Agnes also share me live on Baggy. Samson Yenia Ben also joining me. Very good afternoon to you, Yenia Ben. Mercury Abuatama also sharing live. Mercury Abuatama also sharing live on EKAADE TV. One of the say or pay the birthday song. Wow. Why you be a manida? Oh, okay. Okay.
Put something together for my birthday.
Oh. And I say when Chantro be a confirm, which is the all kind of person. The part of person just say can dance more can be no no cray or confirm. I wish you hired at your radio, the station for your heart. Behind the mic 1 and 2 is your boy, not say. Which met here live or modern Ghana, team you up. Samson Abit met here live or Ghana web. And also Google, just type in Dachi Radio, you get live. Happy New Year to you all. Yeah, but make a in the last verse. Am I enough? Eddie Jumadiano Abane. Chamai, I send you a horn of my episode of my.
The mechanic say 2019 said a medical canna. Then I was on some car. A more balloon. And it is so homo. 2019.
29 dear 29 time.
29. I'm saying because I'm what now one na. Not drink one na kun. Nan krata no atwa ni wona ma. Oh. Na aware no na ma na dwuma sama ye basa. What you say? Minia twen Erade na one pama.
Wait for God.
What you say? Twen Erade na one pama. Until twe enyum verse na KD to you say. Na me da me no I want try na come. Nessa me bonfire say Erade say some sitnem. And na bibia ba me sem one na nya mintio. Me think when me dia na nya mintia. Eka kiti
ko chimi ko.
Ko tamfo na nya me. So de ho to Erade so ade nyina di boa o. It wo dia sida be manu. Asida. Onya me aye bia manu. Ai enti 2019 nango ya 2020 no. Fagidie ne akokudro pa sha wo je uyidi.
Amen. Amen. Wasi fagidie ene akokudro se uje ujidie. The best is yet to come. Yada say ene obra ene odemaye. Abusua ye kok but ye de free anko. Kai say ene boss 6 o'clock pepe ye the New Year edition no ebe bro. And ye betcha free credit e the my viewers. New Year edition of EKAADE Radio with your host Dachi. Bye bye.